Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft has done something that it's pretty much never done before, and it's give a roadmap of features in Windows with possible release dates or if they are already released, and it's even searchable. You can actually go there and search for a feature that you are waiting for. So this is a website. I'll share the link in the description below. And you choose your platform. Say you want to go to a normal Windows PC. Look at the roadmap for 24H2. And you want to see either everything or maybe, for example, gradually rolling out. And then you choose your channel and say that I want all. And so this will actually give you a roadmap of what's happening in the different features that you might have, depending on what build or where you are. You just choose retail, for example. And now here we have 6 features that are rolling out: supported gamepad navigation, software keyboards. That's, by the way, in the updates that we got for the bug fixes. Removal of the location history feature, improving CPU calculation, expressive input icon improvement, and so on. So it gives you a time frame. So for example, top cards such as storage, graphics, RAM. Here, March, expected availability, it always says. So April 2025 in the non-security monthly update, and so on. So whatever you want to search for, you can just choose, for example, here, all version. This is going to change, of course, the number of things that you're going to see. And they will add as time goes by. It doesn't go that far into the future, but still, I think it's an interesting start in trying to help us learn a little more when features are going to be available. And of course, Windows PC is a regular Windows PC, or if you have one of the more advanced Copilot+PCs, you can check out all the new stuff that is AI driven, like the improved Windows search here, for example, and so on. So I will share this page in the description below. You can go and take a look at it from time to time, where you will see every month the new features and the things that are rolling out for Windows 11, 23H2, 24H2, and eventually 25H2, I guess, for the year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.